So hi once again, and today we are gonna unboxing our temperature adjustable soldering iron. We are buy it from Amazon, and now we are going to review this product and see is it worthy to buy or not. So let's unbox it and test it. So this is the bill and it's going to cost you $5.99. It's a temperature adjustable soldering iron, so you can adjust the temperature according to your work. So let's unbox it. So this is our soldering iron. As you can see, there have 5 bits with adjustable soldering iron and a power cord. So let's open it. And this is our soldering iron, and we got 5 bits to use according our work. So let's first check this out. How is it working? So let's connect it with power supply. So I can connect this with my power supply. As you can see, there is a red dot light which indicates that it's connected to a power supply. So let's see how many minutes it takes to heat up. So we are waiting to heat up. Soldering is getting hot, and this is our adjustable knob to adjust the temperature according to our work. So here you can see we have 200, 250, 300, 350, 400 and 450 degrees centigrade temperature. So from 200 to up to 450. So we can adjust this temperature according to our work. So let's heat up it up to 300 temperature. So this arrow is indicate the temperature in which should you are heating up your soldering iron. So let's heat up it in 300 degrees centigrade. And let's see how many minutes it takes up to heat. So it's heat in few seconds. So after connecting this soldering iron, in a few seconds it's got so hot. So now let's try by soldering our lithium batteries. Is it working or not? But now as you can see, the bit of the soldering iron are getting burned. So as you can see there. So let's see now, let's test it up on this lithium battery. We have a 18650 battery, and we try to solder this wires by using this soldering iron. So this is my soldering wire with coated of flux. So now let's see how well perform it. So as you can see, now let's try to solder this wire into this battery. So this bit is not good for this lithium battery, because in a lithium battery we have to give as much as heat but for very little time. So for this type of work we need a flat bit, but let's try it, then we can try the flat bit also. So it well soldered. So now let's solder the second wire. So these two are going to be soldered in this battery pretty well. So as you can see, this is how we are using this soldering wire with adjustable temperature knob. So now let's try with a flat knob with a temperature of 200 centigrade. So we have 5 bits with it. So this is a two-way flat knob, and we have this round knob. We have another round and a small knob. It's very small and round. You can use it for any mobile repairing work, for any motherboard or any type of soldering. There have another flat knob with a small tip, so you can use it in lithium battery also, or you can use the both side flat knob. Here we have another bit with a small and flat knob, so you can use it on some small work. So now we can testing this with a one side flat knob. So to open the bit, you have to first untie this and open this as I seen in the video, and let's open the bits. Now you have to plug this bit with this. And now just put this up and tight this. And you are ready to soldering with a flat knob. So let's test it now. So now I wanna discuss about the bits. So this is the bit in previous we are hitting up, so it got burned very badly. As you can see, the color is changed now, and the build quality of these bits are not good enough. Now we are testing one of a bit from the 5 bit. Let's see is it burnt like it or not. And after testing this, I'll give you the final result of is it worthy to buy or not in this price. So now we can test with a flat knob in 200 centigrade temperature. So let's try it now. So let's solder it again. So we here soldered this wire pretty well by 200 centigrade temperature. So now we are testing it on 450 degrees centigrade. The bit of this soldering iron are getting pretty hot. It's going to be red. So now let's test this. It's so hot.